If you have lost access to your Revolut account and need to regain ownership, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Visit the Revolut app. Open the Revolut app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Select Need Help. Once in the app, navigate to the Help section. Tap on the Need Help option to access customer support. Step 3. Choose Account Recovery. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may include providing personal information, answering security questions, or submitting identification documents. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your information, monitor your email or app notifications for updates from Revolut. They will provide further instructions or confirm the restoration of your account. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Revolut account efficiently. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Revolut's customer support for further assistance.